The Mistry family has decided to formally split from the Tata Group. In a statement released yesterday, the Mistry family said the past oppressive actions and the latest vindictive move by Tata Sons that impact the livelihoods of the wider Shapoorji Pallonji Group community leads to the inexplicable conclusion that the mutual coexistence of both groups at Tata Sons would be infeasible. The SP Tata relationship, spanning over 70 years, was forged on mutual trust, good faith, and friendship. Today, it is with a heavy heart that the Mistry family believes that a separation of interests would best serve all stakeholder groups. The Shapoorji Pallonji Group, the largest minority shareholder in Tata Sons, holds an 18.37% stake in Tata Sons, and the former's exit plans could signal a long-awaited settlement between both the parties, which have been locked in a bitter feud and several rounds of litigation since Cyrus Mistry was ousted as the Tata Sons chairman in October 2016. Interestingly, the move comes after the Tata Group indicated to the Supreme Court that it was open to buy out the stake held by the Mistry family, the promoters of the Shapoorji Pallonji Group. The Supreme Court on Tuesday ordered a status quo on the transfer or pledging of Tata Sons shares by the SP Group companies. The top court said it would take up the matter for hearing of final arguments on October 28, directing both the parties to maintain status quo till then. The Shapoorji Pallonji Group stated before the Supreme Court that it was crucial that an early resolution is reached to arrive at a fair and equitable solution reflecting the value of the underlying tangible and intangible assets. The Tata Group had moved the Supreme Court to restrict the SP Mistry Group from raising capital against their shareholding in Tata Sons and address debt obligations. The SP Group was planning to raise 11,000 crore rupees from various funds and had signed a deal with the Canadian investor for 3,750 crore rupees. The group had pledged Tata's shares to borrow more funds to pay their maturing debt. The SP Group had 9,280 crore rupees in external debt at its main holding vehicle Shapoorji Pallonji and Company Private Limited as of end of February, according to Care Ratings Limited. The group-wide debt was estimated by the local credit rating firm to be more than 30,000 crores as of March 2019. The Shapoorji Pallonji Group is likely to demand 1.78 trillion rupees as per the estimated value of its 18.4% stake. The valuation is based on the current value of Tata Sons shares in group listed companies such as Tata Consultancy Services, Titan Company, Tata Motors, and unlisted subsidiaries including Tata Capital and Tata AIA Life Insurance. If the Tatas agree to the offer, it would be a huge windfall for the SP Group, which is currently struggling with high leverage, poor profitability, and negative cash flows at its flagship company, SPN Company. For Tata Sons, however, the stake buyout would be an additional financial burden and could potentially divert resources from its cash-hungry ventures in automotive, retail, financial services, aviation, and infrastructure. While this may bring an end to the relationship between the two Parsi families that goes back to 1965, are we looking at a fresh battle over the valuation now?